Hey there, today we're going to look at how to convert landscape video to portrait in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First, open Premiere Pro and import your clip onto the timeline. Over here, go to the top menu and click on Sequence, then choose Sequence Settings. After that, you'll see the frame size on the right hand side. Now the format is currently set to 16:9, which is landscape. Then to convert it to portrait, simply swap the numbers. After that, click OK, and if a warning appears, just click OK again. Then you'll see your sequence is now in portrait mode, but your clip will have black parts. Over here, select your clip, go to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, go to Window, then Workspaces, and make sure Editing is selected. After that, find Effect Controls, and it should show up. Then go to Scale and increase the value by sliding the number up or using the arrows. Over here, you can also adjust the position to get the right framing. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.